Chief Guest, Her Highness Sayyida Maya Al Said, ISD alumni, the principal, the chairman of board, the ISD committee, and my dear friends, a very warm good evening and Assalamu Alaikum. It's indeed an honor to stand before you today at the receiving end of this recognition. Recognition aside, it's been an honor in itself to be associating with an Indian school over the last few years. In whatever little capacity, if I were able to influence the quality of people around me, I'm delighted. In whatever little capacity, if I were able to contribute to the success of a few people around me, I feel it's been time well spent in the Indian community in Oman. And this award, being recognition of my little contributions, makes it all the more a humbling experience that in some ways, perhaps, I could make a little difference somewhere. Today is a musical night with the legendary musicians, Stephen and Manoj from India. And they're here to fire us up with their enthralling music performance. I'm reminded of a famous quote. I don't know who the author is. You cannot whistle a symphony all alone. It takes an orchestra to make it happen. At ISD, that's what happens. Whether if it is the alumni, students, teachers, or the management committee, it's not the contribution of one, but the collective synergy of many such stakeholders put together to move mountains and achieve greater results. My contributions, if any, would have been meaningless if it were not for the positive acceptance and understanding of the friends at ISD alumni under the able leadership of Nishad and his team, who always worked together as an orchestra, irrelevant of which music instrument is heard aloud or which one played in intervals. It all contributed to the wonderful music that came out of it. I must say, I had always people around me who have been inspiring and motivating. And when you have people around you with such qualities, your leadership qualities will sprout on its own. As a young footballer in the 80s, I had a coach whose discipline and determination was tremendous. In late 90s, as a fresher in the airline industry in British Airways, I had a boss whose fairness and people management was phenomenal. There are many such inspiring and motivating leaders I had opportunities to work with. And the list goes on when it comes to Muscat, where all such wonderful leaders and friends in their own capacity. And this award is in recognition to that collective synergy of those leaders and friends. I'm humbled by this honor, and thanks to ISD alumni and its members from the bottom of my heart for this wonderful treat that comes as a beautiful signature as the year 2015 comes to an end. What better way to start the new year, 2016, in a few weeks' time. Thank you, and wish you a fabulous year.